So I got this 1982 YZ80J the other week. I swapped it for my CR80, so straight swap. I wanted to get it because it was complete my collection. I got a G, J, K and L. So one day just got to find a H. So it did have the radiator bypass, but I've since fixed up the seals in the head and put all that back together. The forks are a bit rusty. The pipe's been fixed at the front. I've got a spare engine that come with it. It's had new DC plastics put on. Tank's not too bad. Seat's in pretty good condition. I've had a pretty good front guard on it. And the front radiator support, it's made out of fiberglass, it's pretty strong. Someone's drilled holes in the airbox. So it's got just about everything there. The back rubber is missing a bit. It's got the original muffler which can be cleaned up. Rims are a bit corroded. It's missing the kickstand like all of them. I'll just start up. Motor sounds pretty good. Doesn't sound too rattly. Got a bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust there, got the fix up. Fixing a bolt. Sounds like it would go pretty good. Drain some of the fuel out. So that's my 1982 YZ80J. One day I'll start cleaning it up like the other ones. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe.